Welcome to day 3 of Beauty Builders. Today we're adding our third block to your beauty bag to help you create the perfect beauty routine. We're all about warming up your face and creating some dimension today. Building off of what we learned yesterday about luminizers, I've already added this liquid luminizer to my foundation to give me that illumination. Now we're gonna warm up our faces using the Beach Front Bronzer. This is gonna give some dimension to your face, add a little warmth, and make you think about summertime. There are 3 different shades of the bronzer. I'm going with the medium shade, which is Hermosa. There's a matte side and more of a luminescent side. We're just gonna swirl it together and mix them up. I'm using the blusher brush. It's got a little bit of an angle on it, which makes it super easy to use. With the bronzer, you always want to start at your hairline, right about here, kind of where a sideburn would start. Drag the bronzer down underneath your cheekbone, kind of in the hollow of your face. You want to stop right about at the end of your eye. Cheekbones. Now you just want to blend that upwards. You have gorgeous bronzed cheekbones. We can drag this down the sides of our nose, kind of giving us the appearance of a more thin, slenderized nose. You can also shorten the length of your nose a little bit just by dabbing a touch on the end. Drag it down your jawline. Bronzer is all about creating shadows and drawing people's attention back to the center of your face, which is your eyes. You also want to take some in the hairline. This will shorten the length of your forehead, bringing people back down to your eyes again. So not only have we contoured using the bronzer, but we've also added some dimension and some warmth to the face. Another way to use bronzer is actually as an eyeshadow. This is kind of an all-in-one product that when you're away or going on vacation, you need to make sure you have this in your suitcase. Building off of what we used yesterday, you can also use this powder luminizer as a lid color. But wait, we're not done. One more way that you can use the bronzer is on your lips. It's one of my favorite lip colors actually. You just want to make sure that they're super moisturized. Take that compact and just give it a big fat kiss. Flip it over to get both sides. And there you have it. You have the perfect neutral lip for summer using this fabulous little product. Bonus product! Every beauty bag should have a great lip gloss that you can apply over anything. My favorite color to do that with is Lunar. It's got golden flecks in it and truly looks beautiful with any lip color. And because I've used the bronzer on my lips today, I want to add just a little bit of shine with it. Lip gloss, get that in your beauty bag. We're really adding the blocks to our beauty bag now. We started with a great base and foundation, either your BB cream or your liquid foundation. 3 different kinds of luminizers, your liquid luminizer, cream to powder luminizer, or your powder luminizer. And today we added the block of bronzer, warming up that face and giving a little bit of contour and dimension. Stay tuned to see what other blocks we add to our bag.